Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the SONGMICS MAZIE Collection 43-inch Folding Storage Ottoman Bench, a versatile and stylish addition to any home. This Camel Brown Ottoman is designed for quick assembly with its foldable design, allowing you to set it up in seconds by simply inserting the bottom panel, and when not in use, it folds away easily for storage under the bed or in a closet. With ample storage space measuring 15 by 43 by 15 inches, it offers a generous 35-gallon volume, complete with a removable divider to keep your items neatly organized, whether it's books, clothes, or larger items like bed sheets. Constructed with premium MDF panels and reinforced with metal corner guards on the lid, this ottoman is sturdy enough to support up to 660 pounds, ensuring it stands the test of time as both a seating and storage solution. The elegant design features a chic linen-look surface with tufting, adding a touch of style to any room, while the double-layer fabric and high-resilience foam provide enduring comfort for relaxation. Versatility is key with this ottoman, as it serves not only as a storage box but also as a footstool and even a coffee table, seamlessly fitting into your living room, bedroom, entryway, or dressing room to meet various needs. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your space with this multifunctional piece that combines practicality with elegance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.